These guys got me fucked up. 6:09 a.m. and they're dragging me out on a Saturday? I just want to sleep in. The BBW wants to sleep in. Yesterday, my boys fucking made me go on a 2-kilometer run. I haven't ran in fucking 3 or 4 years. Almost died. And they're like, let's go to the gym. I'm like, trying to keep me active. BBW is lazy. What are we doing today? Something. What up, bro?
What up, bro?
We're the only ones awake. Nico not awake.
Yeah,
bro.
Nico, no, I called him. He's awake.
Okay.
Like, barely. But we're on the way.
Focus on the song. Afraid to whatever. What were you saying?
Copyright. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it.
Yo, that's the fucking shop vac we bought right there. There's my backpack. We got the quarter
slow-mo.
We got the quarter zip on. We're going to Lions Bay. We got to be distinguished. Where's your quarter zip?
I didn't have one on, but put my hoodie on. Got a Patagonia shirt underneath this, and I'm hyped for this hike. Really excited, guys. It's gonna be a fun time. This is a good song.
There we go. Nico, bro, you're 20 minutes late.
What's up, Blows?
Get in.
Ready.
We're ready to go, Blows.
Let me get Jesse.
Yeah.
Nice fit. Where's the quarter zip, though?
No quarter zip today.
Early bird gets the worm. Wait a minute. Whoa.
Dirty bird gets the worm.
The dirty what?
The dirty bird gets the worm.
Oh, we're going this way.
Fancy.
Guys, we are on the Maryhill.
Almost killed all of us.
Guys, we are on the Maryhill bypass going towards Vancouver. It is 6:26 a.m. We are on the Maryhill bypass, entering it. As you can see, this is a merge lane. We need to merge onto there. Davron's checking his mirror. Shoulder check-in.
I did not shoulder check.
Shoulder check-in.
What the fucking police stop is this?
This is a speeding car getting pulled over. He is probably getting impounded.
Oh, it's a Tesla.
Let's go. He's probably getting impounded.
What the fuck kind of welding is this?
This is TIG welding. This is a TIG welding.
We are currently on the... What highway is this again?
Highway number 1.
Highway 1 West? East? West.
Number 1.
We on top of the world, man. What the kind of grocery store is this?
What the fucking kind of grocery store?
This is TNT. They sell lots of seafood, actually, and Asian snacks. Very tasty, very yummy, good price.
Want me to?
What the kind of city is this? We are in Lions Bay right now.
No, not yet.
Oh, no?
10 kilometers.
Where's wood fiber LNG? Okay, guys, it is 7:43 a.m. We're gonna eat some breakfast and we're gonna hit a dynamic with the boys. Yeah, and then we're headed to Boston, actually. Okay, guys, we're 300 meters in.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Here, let me put this in the...
I'm gonna die. I gotta get my energy drink going already, man. I'm not in it.
Better throw it in the garbage. Don't leave no trash. Hurry up, Davron. It's just a fucking straight hill up, man. Where are the views?
Soon.
You fucking...
Have patience, young Padawan.
You fucking found this one.
I didn't find it. This is like one of the most popular fucking hikes.
Tunnel bluffage in Slut.
Harder, this or cheap?
Cheap.
Oh, I never done a cheap. Barefoot, and I did Garibaldi.
Were they the frog ones? The fucking...
Nah, dude.
The fucking... Oh, Jesus. You're lucky I am behind all that. Actually, I am behind all that. Yeah, we are at the 2-kilometer mark. We made it. The boys are living. Wait. Where are the views, Davron?
I don't know yet.
This is just trees.
2 kilometers ahead.
The
other way.
Restrooms 2 kilometers.
Nature is my restroom.
If you gotta shit, you gotta go into a fucking bush and use a leaf.
Shit your pants, twin.
Let's see what this
I
is.
hope you all shit your pants today.
No.
See the Crosby one I think?
Holy fuck. What does this say?
Oh, is there right or left one? This way.
Harvey Lyons.
Oh,
This is not a walk in the park. Steep grades, rough trails, stream crossings ahead. I don't know. One of those. Super spooky. See Tunnel Bluff and New Brunswick. Fucking sissy liberals out here, New Brunswick.
Hurry up.
I'm running, bro. I'm running. I'm trying to get a cinematic view.
Who, VC Manny?
Neon.
Neon? I don't know. Industry plant, bro.
Little streamer guy.
Yeah, being a little
He
geeky weasel.
Dude, he might have cracked his...
Dude, like, what is this?
He might have cracked.
Yo, that's fucked up, guys. Clean up your garbage.
Expose the name.
Oh, yeah.
Name on the
No.
order.
Is there a name on the order? Nope. No name. We're watching you. We are stewards of lands. We're gonna grab it on the way back for sure. This is the dangerous crossing. How many trolls live under this bridge? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, this is scary. There's only a railing on one side. Oh my
With their
goodness.
eyes closed.
Oh my god, fuck me sideways and fuck me to tears. We gonna die. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it's shaking. I'll be honest, I don't think this bridge is up to code. I think we gotta bring the inspectors in.
Oh my god, guys, that was scary, guys.
Pacquiao's.
Oh, fuck.
Yes. Yes, he.
Were those the ones we?
Yeah, those are the ones we
That's what we did. Fuck.
Oh my god, a waterfall.
victim of seduce. I was. I was into it, but like I was like,
What the fuck going on? What the kind of fucking story is that?
what the fuck?
Yo, look at this. Holy shit.
Imagine that you just
Whoa.
ripped that shit.
Whoa. Another bridge
Dude.
with a bigger.
Should I go backwards?
Yeah, go backwards. No. Slap.
no.
Let's see it, boys. Wow, this is a nice little stream. Whoa. Not OSHA approved. How do I carry this?
I'm so scared.
You want to throw it in my bag?
Oh. It's Bigfoot. Literally. Oh my god, guys, it's a bear. It's a bear. It's a bear. So beautiful. Look at that. And the birds chirping. Wow. Wow. Hey guys. We are currently 4.7 kilometers into the hike. You can hear the birds chirping. It's a beautiful day. I'm thinking about the beers we're gonna drink.
Me too. Yeah. Let me just take a picture of this and send it into ChatGPT really quick. Get the fucking. Dude, chat was goated. Get the stratification on this fucking. Chat really worked hard.
Can you explain
layers of the earth.
Can you explain stratification?
Well, basically, I took an archaeology class, so stratification is different layers of the earth. Yeah, we're also city planners.
So I think we put a Dollar General right here, a Walmart right there, maybe a Tim Hortons just up the road
The
there.
rest of it needs to be a parking lot.
Yes.
I know. Breathing from.
How was that hike, Best Welder?
So goated, bro.
Have you ever done the zip lining in Whistler?
Yeah, so sick.
And you're like on that big. It's
very nice. Are you getting a panorama?
Just getting some cinematic shots.
Wow. What's that island over there? Gibson's is behind it over there. And then
Gambier's that one?
Victoria's that big one over there.
Gambier's that one right there.
No, Gambier's this one.
Right across from
That's
us.
Bowen.
This one right here.
Gambier's this one. Yeah. Bowen behind there is Gibson, like the big one's Gibson. Show. And then Victoria's that big one.
Dude, I've only been to Gambier one time.
Terrible Island. Powell River somewhere over there.
My fucking dog, my dog got like ran over the day before I went to Gabriel. I remember it so vividly.
Your dog died?
Oh, look at, we're on, oh, isn't this so nice? Isn't this so nice? I was like traumatized.
Who was before Bentley?
Before Bentley it was Buddy, but before Buddy was Brooke, and Brooke was the one that. And then freaking Buddy died from cancer after he was like 2 years old. No. He died from cancer, bro. Buddy. I love, yeah, Buddy was fucked. Man. He used to bite my hell.
Where's the? Did I take? Yeah. You're so nice, best Welder.
What a beautiful day, guys.
So beautiful.
What do you think, Jesse?
It's super beautiful.
Is it slutty? Can you
It's
do it?
more than that, dude. It's
So much more.
Slutty's not even worthy of this.
Slutty? Like, look at this. Wow, what a beautiful day. We live in a beautiful country here. I think we should pay more taxes to keep the parks running. What do you think?
Yeah, 70% tax for everybody.
I think 85%.
Only millionaires get tax breaks.
Yeah.
Money.
Only millionaires and billionaires.
That's what I'll do when I'm prime minister.
Like I'm saying, we should have a floating Walmart there as well and a Dollar General.
Yeah, turn this whole thing into let's just put concrete in this water and just freaking see what happens. Our deepest fears is not that we're inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It's our lightness, not our darkness, that scares us the most. Coach Carter, shout out Coach Carter. That's what brought us here today. This one's for Coach. Right, Tina?
What brought us here is doing a hike and getting beers.
Bird hits you, knocks you out. You're fucking,
Okay, bro.
You're on the thing,
Okay,
you're
bro.
fucking hanging off.
Look at these guys. They're fucking losing their minds over here.
Can you just
Talk
do
about
it
zip
one?
line.
Can you just do it one time?
One
What?
time. We made it.
Yeah, but like do it the real way that you do it.
What?
No, Jesse.
Nah, I don't want to do it.
Jesse. Please.
I just died in your house. I want to show you guys the most beautiful Hungarian Shepherd we've ever seen. Hi, buddy. Hey, say hi to the camera. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh. Thank you.
Zoolander? Zoolander, yeah.
Work it.
Holy fuck,
Hey guys, we're almost done the hike. We hit a little pit stop. Where is he running to? The beers will be waiting for us still. What is he doing?
Lonsdale now?
Anywhere.
Where are we going? That's the real question. I don't know where to go.
Slat.
You guys kind of got to make a decision here.
That was a good time, guys. It was awesome.
Oh, it was fun, boys. That was really fun, guys.
Best Welder, where should we go?
Joey's inside is.
I don't know, man. I can't figure it out.
Yo, we are at the Lonsdale Key.
I didn't even hear her say that.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Drinking beer.
Okay, let me record you, bro.
What do you got? Japanese lager, I think.
That's Jesse.
Jesse, what do you have?
Same thing. We all have the same thing.
I got
Nico, what do you
water.
have?
This is water.
Yes.